Hello my dear students and welcome to Unacademy once again. I am Shagufta Jaipuri, your maths educator for SSC class 9 and 10. So in today's video, we are talking about constructing 120 degree with a compass. So let's get started without wasting any time. So suppose you are told to draw an angle of 120 degree. So in your class 9 and 10 you won't be told to draw 120 degree as such, but this will help you in the construction of triangles, in construction of similar triangles and in all the construction. That is why we thought of coming up with drawing of construction of standard angles. So different standard angles we will cover up, and we will also upload the videos of certain standard geometrical constructions. So let's begin with 120 degrees. So suppose you are told to draw, you are supposed to draw 120 degree like this. So start with BC, take a point B on your notebook and draw a straight ray BC. Okay, so with the help of a scale you will draw BC. Now at B you have to draw 120 degree. So I have already explained you how to draw 60 degree. So 120 degree is basically what? 120 is 2 into 60 degree. Okay, 2 into 60 degree. We will make use of this. Let's begin. So take your compass, extend it to a small length, keep the pointer at B and make a big arc like this. We did the same thing in 60 degree, but this time I have made a bigger one. I have extended it till here. Now keeping the same measurement and now keeping this point at this point where this arc has met our ray BC. At this particular point I will keep my pointer like this and I will make a cut on my arc. Is that clear? Now again keeping the same measurement and keeping the pointer here, I will make second cut. Okay children? So this we know was 60 degree, we drew last time. So 60 plus 60 is 120 degree. So this full is 120 degree. Now simply join this point of intersection and your point B. So now I will simply join B and this ray and I will name it as A. So now my ABC is the required angle. So this is 60, this is 60, the total is 120. Let us confirm it. So I have taken a protector, keeping this 0 at point B, aligning it properly, starting from 0, reading it from the inner scale. This is exactly 120 degree, my dear children. So you also pause the video and draw this again. Okay? Okay, you have doubts? Let me draw it once more for you. So now suppose the second one I am drawing it from this side. Let us draw from this side now. Okay? Chalo. So I want to draw a 120 degree now like this. Okay? From this side I have to draw 120 degree. So let us see how to do. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay? So I will draw BC first. So I have taken a point B and I am drawing BC. Okay, so this is my ray BC. Now taking the compass, keeping it at point B, I am drawing a arc like this such that this arc is touching here. Now keeping the same measurement, keeping my point here at this point where this arc has met my ray BC here, I will make a cut. Now keeping this point here and not changing the measurement, same measurement, keeping the point here, I will draw another cut. Okay? Now simply join B and this point, second point, and join it. This is A. The chalk has entered my eyes. Now let's measure this. So now keeping this 0 at B, and now I will read from the upper scale. okay, because 0 is on the upper scale. So from 0, if I see, this is exactly 120 degree, my dear children. Okay, so you also now pause the video, draw both this type and practice really well. If you have liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and do write in the comment section. Also let us know which standard angles you guys want to learn and which other geometrical constructions you want me to come up with. Okay. And also I would request you all to join my special classes, because in special classes construction is taught like none another. So do join my special classes which is conducted on Unacademy app. You will have to use my code SJMAMLive. Okay, use my code SJMAMLive, Shagufta Jaipuri Ma'am Live, to unlock the free classes, okay, free special classes. Also there are plus subscriptions, so you can subscribe and use the same code and get a 10% discount on your subscription. So guys, go ahead, download the app right now. Okay, see you soon in another video. Keep the learning always on, and let's crack it on Unacademy. So let's crack it with Unacademy. If you like the video, please subscribe to Unacademy Maharashtra Board channel. Thank you, and looking forward to see you in my special classes.